everyone, welcome back to Silent Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 1st to the 5th of December 2025 on Monday. After the school collapse, Jason scrambles over to cover his tracks while Phakathi fights to reveal the truth. Sipho nears breakthrough. Tim's jealousy looms and Sakhile is shaken by another death on Tuesday. Petrina find out Sakhile about Sihle's suicide as Sakhile's moves toward leadership, while Jason's plan backfire. Thandiswa receives a tip on Nomeva and Sipho is cleared after Tim confesses on Wednesday. Jason held Phakathi's investigation via the police, while Leroy is devastated by Nomeva's death. Tim admits his sabotage to Sipho, ending on a positive note as Sipho leaves Mnyameni on Thursday. Jason and Martha plan her campaign as Sakhile announces his candidacy with a Jason endorsement. Leroy and Thandiswa Nomeva, while Mamiki worries about a miscarriage amid Songanga's guidance on Friday. Sakhile and Martha Raj for councillor support as Jason schemes, while Leroy and Thandiswa seeks Songanga's help for Nomeva's funeral and Mamiki Muti backfires. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.